OHA went about it the old Hawaiian way, in that you go and talk to the people first, and you see what the people, where their state is. You know, it's really harsh what had happened to us, where everything was going on, the landslides. We had local people in there working their way out so that we could, attain the road and get back to work and get back to a normal lifestyle. Our situation is dire. And
what OHA is doing is good for the people now. The people need that reassurance. OHA is giving them that hope. You know what I mean? That's what it is.
We get long-term and short-term goals, but my main concern is get back to the island, get everything cleaned up, get equipment what we can, and work on one day at a time.
Since the flooding, we've definitely had some hard times. Our houses have been some totally ruined, some not on solid foundation. All that water coming through in the bottoms or foundations of a lot of our houses need to be fixed. A lot of our lo'i, our agriculture areas, have sustained damage, so we need to fix those. A lot of our OHA need to be cleared out still. So just a lot of work, a lot of, I guess you could call it flood damage, right? So a lot of damage to our area, to our homes, to our health. It's taken a toll on a lot of people's health as well. It's been difficult making sure all of our kupuna and our ohana who have health issues that are on the other sides of the landslides, making sure they're well taken care of and that they're able to access medicines they need and good nutrition and that type of thing. So there's been all kinds of different challenges that we've been up against and had to face since the storm. So any help we can get is so appreciated, and so we mahalo OHA today for coming out to help us in this time.